What? You want some cheese to go with that swine? Hey, little piggies! You mind if we play a game? Sweet! You hear that, guys?
Yay!
All right, guys, who's going first?
That's right, baby back. Grapefruit's gonna make you squeal like a pig.
That shouldn't be too difficult.
Geronimo!
Whoa! I told you it was a loin shot. It's better than a fat chance. Maybe you need to lay off the red meat.
That's it! Release the Kraken!
Whoa! You've got friends in really low places.
Well, now how does this doohickey work?
I told you, Grandpa Lemon. It's like a catapult.
A caterpillar? Boy, they didn't look like that in my day. Reminds me of the time I went to Tangiers with a pretty little banana named Chiquita.
Down in front. Come on, Gramps. Keep it moving.
Who said what now?
They're really hamming it up. Time to show them what you got, Grandpa.
Fair enough. Time to show you whippersnappers how to kick it old school.
Ah, great. Look at him. He's just sawing logs there.
Yeah, literally.
What's that noise?
Yay! Way to go, Grandpa. You really saw through them.
Saw through what now?
Hey, everybody. Get ready for a short round.
Thanks for the vote of confidence, Orange.
No problem, Midget Apple. What's the matter? You guys want a little snack?
And I've got just the thing. It's called a piece of cake. Whoop, whoop. Whoa!
Whoa! Poor Midget Apple. He's just a little misguided.
Ride 'em, cowboy! Yeehaw!
Whoa! There's nothing left of those guys. Except bacon bits. All right, Fluffy Buddy, time to get your game face on. I guess they want to stay sugar-free. Uh-oh. Jeez, Marshmallow sure knows how to lighten them up. I don't know, Passion. Cleaning up that pig pen is going to be a dirty job.
I think I'll be okay. After all, I am a black belt.
Okay, just don't buckle under the pressure.
Oh, you think that's funny, huh? Well, how about this?
Whoa! Now that's what I call a pork chop.
Okay, this is ridiculous. I'm a pear, and that thing is made of wood and stone and glass. Do you know what glass can do to a pear?
Ooh, let's find out.
No, let's not find out. No! Ah!
Oh.
Oh, you did it. Oh, that was a close call.
Don't worry, Pear. I got your back.
What? No, don't do it. Ah!
So long, Slingshot. Hello, Spitshot.
Okay, Orange, you're up. Just be careful that you don't hurt yourself.
What? Are you worried I'm going to pull my hamstring?
You know, on second thought, have fun.
Yay! This is going to be easier than falling off a hog. Wow! That was excellent. What's that you're saying? Sorry, I don't speak pig Latin. Hey, pigs! You want to play another game? Okay, how about motorboat? Whoa! Geez, talk about a pigsty!
idea, Orange. Maybe we should just pack it in for the day.
Come on, Pear. Maybe all you need is a little bit more energy.
Fifth bamboo, Zoom can do.
He just told you to can it.
Did you know that Zoom is a proven pig deterrent?
Sounds like a bunch of hogwash to me.
Do you even know how that slingshot works?
Slingshot? Zoom doesn't need a slingshot. Zoom can boo!
Now that's how you catch a buzz.